Hi everyone, let's begin to solve this problem. First, we have to write this rule. A to the power of n multiplied a to the power of m, and it equals a to the power of n plus m. And according to this rule, we can write it to the power of 1 multiplied by to the power of 99 and minus to the power of 99 and divided by 2 to the power of 98. And here we can take outside the brackets 2 to the power of 99 equals 2 to the power of 99, and here 2 minus 1 and brackets, all divided by 2 to the power of 98, and here 2 minus 1 equals 1, and we can write it 2 to the power of 99 divided by 2 to the power of 98. And here, according to this rule, we can write it 2 multiplied by 2 to the power of 98 divided by 2 to the power of 98. And here we can easily cancel this and this. It equals 2. This is our final and correct answer. We can write this answer here. The answer is 2. Thank you.